Ladies and gentlemen, learning how to freeze a frame within DaVinci Resolve can really change what your video actually says. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do the freeze frames within DaVinci Resolve. So let's get into it. So we've imported our clip over here and it's in our timeline. We're going to make sure that right over here at the bottom we are on the Edit tab. It's this one right over here. From here you're going to make sure this is selected and we are going to push play and we will pause it where we would like to freeze our frame. Now I would like to freeze it just about over here. Now you can use your left arrow and right arrow to scrub through the footage. What we're going to do here is holding Control and tap on B. Alternatively, you can use this blade tool right over here. And once you've made your first cut, you are going to scroll one over to the right so that you are selecting one single frame. Again, we're going to hold in Control, tap on B, and we are going to have essentially one single frame cut out of this video. Here it is here. Now what we can do is right click on it. Here we're going to look for change clip speed. Within this window, there is a freeze frame. We're going to click on change, and this now has become a freeze frame. So if you're holding Alt, you'll be able to zoom in so that it's larger and it's a little bit easier to work with. You're going to make sure that that is the symbol that you can see. You're going to click down, and essentially you can resize this to whatever you would like it to be. So I'm going to just drag it over to about that much, and I can zoom out again. And essentially this is what your clip will look like. Now, if you enjoyed this video, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of awesome content on DaVinci Resolve. We'll see you over there. Peace out.